Here we go. Hobbybox604 back with another Premier tin. This is 1073 single tin of 1516 UD Premier, where 80 has the Oilers, drafted Oilers with the first pick all the way down to Kit TNT and the Jackets. Maximus, if you're going to bed, go to bed. I'll give your total and just send it to me when you wake up. If you really have to go, or I can do it after this one here. So it's up to you, buddy. But if you have to go, go. I'll send it to you later. So this one is NHL number 99 and serial number 19719. Let's see if we can get something decent out of this one. Oh my God, autograph Connor tin. That was cheesy, huh? Well, I just realized that there's possibility. So I'm sure it's going to be like pretty obvious like that. We can see it, right? There's no way I would miss something like that. So. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Another thin one. Let's see. Well, the Predators start it off. Kevin Fiala, Nashville, rookie jersey. Going out to Meme. Winnipeg Jets getting a card. Rookie to 399 for the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Kopp. PC Nelly. Oh, there is actually one up, Lindy. I would love to see it. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews, 339 of 399. Going out to Meme again. RPA, another silver spectrum. Jacob Delarose, 58 of 65 for the Montreal Canadiens. Silver Spectrum rookie patch autograph for Montreal. Kit TNT, buddy. Congrats. And nice hit for the Oilers. Northeast Nick, please don't look. Legendary premiere for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky.
I reclined my seat, and the old lady behind me started yelling at me. It's so disrespectful. You should have asked me. The TV's in my face now, but it's my seat.
Nice hit, Oilers.
What you want with your seat, I can do what I want with my seat.
Wow. Gretzky was in a tin number 99. You guys realize that? Sorry, Nick. Sorry, buddy. Gotta also apologize to Ty. Ty had the Oilers twice tonight, and no hits. Not even a base card for him. So sorry to Nick and sorry to Ty. But hey, it happens sometimes for you as well. Going out to the Canucks, Premier Swatches, 34 of 65. Daniel Sedin. Slicky Ricky. Was it 19? Maybe I just made that up. Sorry. Gotta put this one right there. I'll put it in a one-touch shortly. And last but not least, going out to the worst hitting team in the product. Columbus Blue Jackets gets a hit. 125 of 399 for Kit TNT and the Jackets. Rookie of Josh Anderson. No, 99. Box number 99 had a Wayne in it. This is not the first time something like that happened, guys. I mean, it could be a coincidence, obviously. I mean, this one is 19. Yeah, you're right, Lindy. But this one is 99. So that was it. 7-12. Finally hit something that we could say, hey, not bad. So congrats to the Oilers and Ver 80 with that Wayne Gretzky autograph. 1073 is done. We'll be back with 1068 shortly. Thank you.